Welcome everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is another video tutorial on how to generate a WhatsApp link that brings someone directly to your DM. It's mostly used by brand owners or business owners to promote their brand, especially the one that's online. Now let's get. The first thing you are going to do is you're going to go to your Chrome browser, Chrome. Then click on Chrome. Now the next thing is I'm going to search for WhatsApp link. Yeah, WhatsApp link. So now you see this create WhatsApp link, then click on it. Now, so this is where you create your link. This is the place you create it. Now, first thing I want to do is, since you're a Nigerian, you'll be using +234. Then you have to add your number there. So I'll just add my own 8062776665. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and our channel for more updates. So please write your number. Don't try and copy this number and paste it there, because if anybody just click on the link, it will just come to my DM. Yes. Now add a custom message. Hi there. So now I've wrote the message it's going to bring for me. So you can review or you can generate my WhatsApp link. So let me just review what it's going to bring for me. So first you're going to go to my DM. This review is just to show how the output of what you did will be, and the output of what I did will just be coming to my DM, writing a and that message I wrote there. Forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sorry about that, and you can write in the comments what I should video I should do, so that I can grow, and so I can spread the knowledge of tech. And now you can see what it's previewed. Hi there, I'm interested in your free course. So this is it, and I'm going to go back. Now I'll click on generate my WA link. So then I'm going to create my WA link. I'll create my WA link. So this is creating. Okay, it says okay. I've set that, so let me just proceed. So hi again. 1 2 and 2 7 course. Yeah, that's good. Now generate my WA link. Now click on generate my WA link. Now as you can see, it has generated the link, so just copy link, or you can just download the URL. Now thank you for watching this video. don't forget to like and subscribe again, and share this video with friends and family who are having difficulties of doing this. Bye. See you again next time.